Hello again. Here's question 15 from the 2013 exam. We have a jewellery company with survey of wrist sizes. Here's your results. The wrist size is in the left-hand column and the frequency is the right-hand side. Use this sample to predict the mean and standard deviation of the entire population. Okay, so for this one, mean and standard deviation, we get the calculator to do its calculating for us. So we put the wrist size is in list 1, the frequency is in list 2. If we go over here, you can see that I've done that, and then we just get the calculator to work out the mean and standard deviation. So we get it to do a calculation for us. Calc. It's one variable stats, and now we've got to make sure we get this right here. And we've got list 1 in. Don't put frequencies as 1 though. We must put our whole of list 2 in for our frequencies. So there we go, list 2, and we say OK, and it gives us all the numbers that we're looking for. The mean, well, the mean is the first thing. So the mean, oops, and that equals to 15. Hold on, reading the question carefully. 3 decimal places, 15.44. To get the third decimal place, you must go to the fourth one and see what number it is. Now the fourth decimal is a 4, so that means we do not change it. We leave it as a 0. If it was a 5 or bigger, we would round that 0 up to 1, but it's not, so it's 3 decimal places. It's 15.440. The units for that, that's the mean wrist size, so that's centimetres. And then we need the standard deviation of the entire population. And now the little sigma x, that's the first one, that's the standard deviation of the sample, of our sample that we've done here, these 252 adults. The Sx, that's the standard deviation of the whole population from which this sample was taken. So in this case it's the Sx, standard deviation of the whole population, and to 3 decimal places that will be 1.006. And again, that is a variation in centimetres. Now what we're being fussy about here is the 3 decimal places. You've got to be careful you get that right, and the units. Don't leave that bit out. And remembering we're doing the entire population, not just our sample, which is why we use the Sx instead of the sigma h, which is the sample standard deviation. Okay, having checked that we're careful with all that, that hopefully goes okay. I'll stop there, go on to the next one on another video.